as a stage technician. The first t-shirt is a Hanes-tagged Raider shirt, size small, with an interesting graphic. After a Google image search, I got 0 hits, so I'm not entirely sure what the story is with this artwork. Next up is a crew t-shirt given to those who worked on the Ewok adventure movie from 1984. The artwork was done by animator Phil Norwood. It's a dead stock tee with a very crispy Fun Tees tag, with a tag design I haven't seen before. Then we have a Raiders of the Lost Ark sweatshirt. It's crispy and dead stock, with a Phil's tag that we don't currently have in our database. Next, we have a Hanes-tagged Raiders promo tee, which is also dead stock. This print is fairly common. Here's another Raiders piece, Hanes tagged, but featuring artwork we can't quite find the origins of. It looks like concept art, or even the cover of a video game. I only got 1 hit in Google Images that reportedly originated from Joe Johnson, who did the visual effects for Raiders. Finally, another evil Ewoks tee with a crispy sport tee tag. This one appears to be a rare color version I didn't even know existed. There's no trace of it elsewhere online. It appears to have been airbrushed. That's all for now. Please enjoy your day.